Hi everybody. This lock is a great lock. The biggest problem I'm having is the part where that you engage the lock with the key. It seems to work really well, but as soon as you try to place it onto the U, it just doesn't want to turn. Even if you push the U shape on the ground with gravity pulling on it, it is hard and doesn't want to lock. Eventually, you kind of manipulate it, and it does work. I really got it pretty quickly that time, but when you have it engaged with a tire, it's really hard. A lot of times you don't have that angle. You can only go like that. It just won't lock, or it's a big struggle. Other than that, it is a good lock.